and welcome back to my channel. Let me start by saying I absolutely love Niawigs. They sent me some wig caps as well as a brush that works well on all types of hairs. Let me tell y'all, I use it on my curly wig and them curls were popping. As far as the wig goes, it's a Remy Human Hair 5x5 closure wig. It's 18 inches, 150% density. The color is a natural black and it's lightly pre-plucked. I did go back in and pluck some more, but you definitely don't have to if you don't want to. And I just want y'all to get into how thick this hair looks. Like, come through Niawigs. First of all, I love this wig. Niawigs, y'all did that because this is about to look so good. It straightens so well. We're gonna do the ball cap method because I just feel like this wig deserves it. Just feel like it deserves it. And I did bleach the knots just a little bit. I feel like the knots didn't bleach as well as I normally get them bleached, but I also just didn't. I was just not in the mood to try to bleach it again. Clearly, I'm just in a lazy mood. I have a million videos on how I do my ball cap, so I'm just gonna do this off camera, come back and put this little baby on, okay? Let me tell y'all how this is looking like scalp, okay? Call me Scalpiana, all right? Scalpapisha. At this point, I'm a scalpel. Like, y'all, this is literally scalp. Like, I did that at the end of the video. That's all. Not really, but really. Y'all, I really gotta stop figuring out if my hot combs and straighteners are hot like this. And of course, the Jamaican in me is over here touching it like an idiot. Like, this literally reminds me of that video where it's like you cooking food versus your mom cooking food, except this is the hair edition. Like, I have literally burned my nose, from my nose to my lip doing this, and look at me still doing this. Like, what the heck is going on? Y'all, I love this wig. It is giving me all types of life. And like, it just gets so flat. Like, flat doesn't really look good on me. Like, I need a little bump because I got a big head. If I didn't mention it before, this is 18 inches. I don't know, 18 inches is a good look for me. I was very much like, I don't know if 18 inches don't do nothing for me. But like, 18 inches is giving me my hair. It's giving me what my actual hair would look like, and I like it for that fact. Now, I did straighten it, obviously. Y'all see, I can't even stop touching it. It feels so good. And like, I like that the bottoms are like not even, because that just reminds me of like natural hair, because you know, we don't like to cut our ends. But like, it just gives me that it's, you know, very much natural. Okay, this is cute, but this closure is a little too thin to try to do that. I don't know. It's not doing nothing for me, but I think if it was thicker, I would even add some hair to it. I don't know. It's not really doing nothing for me. my curls the same on each side. Like I really like this side, the way this curled, and when I watch this back, I'm gonna figure out what I did to make it curl like this, because this is what I like. This side I don't ever do the same thing, but that's because that's my right side. So I'm using my left hand. I don't know. It just never comes out the same, but I like this little bang, this little curly bang is doing something to the girls. I wasn't really trying to do curls. I was trying to give it some body, a little life. And I feel like it got that. I feel like it got what it needed. I don't know if I would really keep the curls, but I like it. We like, guys, we like. Normally, like, it's really just middle part. Maybe I should try to do a side part for y'all. Try to do a side part. We don't even know yet. We're gonna try to do a side part. And we're back. Y'all, while my straighteners are heating up, I will chit chat with y'all. But I normally do baby hairs, but it just looks so good without them. I was like, maybe I don't need them. And I think that was a good move because I really don't need them. Like, it looks like my hair. For the most part, this is a vibe. I'm really liking this. I really like this. I don't know if this is my side, y'all, but it's gonna have to be my side today because I don't know, I already hot combed it down. So, All right, I think it's moments like these where I'm like, okay, yeah, you need a little baby hair, just a smidge, And it just, I don't know how y'all do y'all edges, but I like cutting them first, because I don't know, it just gives me an idea. And I always cut them long, so that way if I don't cut enough, I can always go in. You can always cut more, but you can't add. Just remember that. You can always cut more, but you can't add. So that's what I do here. There's my little baby hair. Sometimes if it's not coming where I need it to go, I just straighten it down. So it gives it a little, guidance. It gives it a little guidance to say, like, you gotta go this way. You could do a little bit of this. You see how quick that was? And if you want it to be more secure, you could of course use some Got to Be spray or gel. Yeah, Got to Be spray for a hairstyle like this. But if you just want to do something real quick, like, that was like not even 2 seconds. Not even 2 seconds. Didn't take much work. We're giving very much 90s. I like. Got the side part going. I think the part looks really, really good. Put a little bit of baby hairs on there, if y'all can see. But overall, this hair is really giving me all sorts of life, guys. Like, all sorts of life. It's so light, so airy, like, but it's still thick, in my opinion. Not like, but like, you know, a good, like, if this was my natural hair, this is probably like, my hair would be thinner than this. So to me, this would be like really thick. But this I feel like is the perfect amount to like actually make it look natural, like it's your hair. I know I keep saying it because it just looks like my hair. Like, I cannot get over it, cannot. But as usual, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave some comments down below if you're feeling my hair. Let me know which look you like the best. Make sure to thumbs this video up. Of course, it don't cost you nothing to subscribe, so make sure you do that. And hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. And you're gonna wanna do that because I am coming with heat this year, okay? Heat. I know y'all see me out here posting 2 times a week and I got a full-time job. Check it, because that didn't even happen before. So make sure y'all with the shits, because I'm with the shits this year. We making progress this year. We coming up this year, and that's on her. So like I said, leave some comments down below, thumbs this video up, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.